Hello, my name is Eugene Webster, and today we'll talk about relational databases and will they eventually become extinct or not. It's my opinion that relational databases are here to stay. Relational databases have been around for well over 30 years. That's not to say that they haven't had other technology uh, counterparts to try to um, get in that space. For example, we've had object-oriented databases, and then we matriculated to XML storage. And now there's a lot of discussion about document storage and key value stores. Um, and with Amazon making its way, some increased technology in that realm. The problem is none of these are to the level of the relational database constructs or structures, if you will. There are inherent positives about relational databases, such as data integrity, even at the lowest level, where you don't get with these other types of databases. Um, Compatibility is a big key. The relational database is compatible with numerous applications, and there's something to be said about that. And one key benefit, if you don't agree with the other two, this benefit of you have to go through the data modeling process with relational databases, uh, normalizing your data from the beginning to the end is a requirement for relational databases. With these other databases, this is not necessarily the case. Uh, on another practical scale, data in general is just extremely expensive. So, trying to move your database from one platform to another could be cost prohibitive. Relational databases, even for a non technical person like myself, I can build a makeshift relational database with limited functionality. Some of these other databases require quite a bit of technical expertise that you don't get. Um, for all the for all the bad of relational databases, um, even if it's on a single node, you're still able to run queries um, and be successful. Even if you're not a great programmer, you can still do some basic um, select statements and functionality. So this is kind of like what I heard, 10 years ago. SQL is going to overtake Python as a programming language, and as you can see, Python is still uh, very popular and utilized across um, several organizations and programmers. So it's kind of one of those, there's programming languages and databases that have been around, true, tried, and tested for decades. And there's really no substitution for, for this type of technology.